Gumma le scéal an sin gach duine. Ceapan go muid a rais. Tá muid a rais. Yeah, níos an céad a hord an sin. Dime an angle nó an idirlín nó rud éigean. Ach tá mé a rais.
Here they come! They're in the open! I'm out! Reloading!
Níor thola mór an as bhí sé imethe. Máilí seo fear sin fós BEO ar bailí. Oh, no ammo. Jeepers.
I'm going in!
Get back! He's dead! 12 infantry!
Good in here, is it?
Route Chief inbound! Falling back! House is clear! Push to the church! Shit!
Grenade!
German infantry! Down! Wounded out there! Drag him to cover!
Be alright!
Oh, for my boss, you're a cool na hurk good dinner, Egan Ella, near Cheshin, Ferrota. Oh, I can't make their
Falling back! Houses, there's more on the street! Route Chief inbound!
Over here!
Here!
First aid kit.
I'm out! Reloading!
Grenade out!
You hear that? Out track! Find cover! Get down! I can't walk! There's wounded out there! Drag him to cover! Daniel, drag him out of there! I'll cover you! God, I can't move! They've got the whole street locked down! We need smoke out there!
To make so secure, they can push the show for that. There's the other eye.
Can't move!
Gun a few, I'll go for that.
Somebody help me! Please help me!
Hang on!
Right through the door! Get me out of here!
Hang in there, buddy!
Enemy troops!
Road formed.
Reloading! Enemy infantry!
A few gun there, airfall. Fade them lose side.
Hey! Let's more cars!
Heat targeted smoke ILO!
I've got one for you!
Toss it!
Run it! Run it!
Sussman, call to.
Enemy located! Cover! Grenade! Bridges on the move!
The error. Taking them. In error.
I'm out! Reloading! Bullseye!
Got him!
Let's go! Let's go! Eyes in this. Quickly now!
Start. Oh, you have to make Cachter Aku and shit.
Got him!
Germans ahead! Don't bunch up!
Lobbing a grenade!
Enemies inbound! Daniels, get on the half-track MG! Street's clear! Rally by the church door!
Okay,
Daniels, you take the door.
Got it. Here you go.
Understand with the shit.
Where'd they go?
They must have run when they heard us coming.
Krauts left some supplies. Stock up before we get to the tower.
Hey, yo, sus. How come Jews don't go to church?
To go to synagogue.
Synagogue?
Check door.
Tell you what.
Oh,
Forget about it.
till it armor.
Shit!
MG on the second floor. Get to cover.
Got one!
Krauts, second floor. Coming from the
Coming in from the south.
Here, she's in over that.
Huh?
Go out here as we go.
Watch your flank!
Cover me!
Garbage.
Stay low and flank him! Inbound from the south!
Coming at us!
I did her off.
Got him!
Take him out! Keep on him! Daniels, you can signal for mortar! Make tracks, come on!
Whoa. Whoa.
All right, clear.
Reload. Should we
Church is out.
Moving to the door.
Door. Check door.
Krauts are down on our fighters.
Zussman, Aiello, get out there and hit those guns.
Yes, Sergeant.
Daniel Stiles, you'll provide overwatch from the tower with me.
Just glad it's gonna be you up there. No pressure.
Don't worry, I've got your back. You better.
Need him hugging.
Everybody up the stairs, let's move. Up the ladder. Hope nobody's scared of heights.
Would it matter?
Nope. Come on, get up here.
Berlin. Ní bh an chud paidir ráistin sin. Ní bheith sé róganna.
Eyes on Zussman, get ready. All right, they're moving. Lay suppressive fire so they can take out those flak guns. Crouch for the burning car.
Oh, okay, door.
Clean shot!
Clear those crowds blocking Zussman from the AA gun. Focus! Enemy still next to the burning car. Fritz, dead ahead of him. Snipers in the building!
Finish him off!
Daniels, hit those snipers! Check the windows! Get more fire over there! Focus on our squad!
Oh, thank you, mate. Can't make around that job.
Evans, left flank! There's another AA gun in the courtyard! It's unmanned! Keep an eye on it! They made it to the flat gun!
Flamethrower!
I see him!
Mop up the rest!
Firing!
Take him out!
Rusty.
Got one! Focus on our squad! Yeah! They did it! Woo! Half tracks moving into the square! They're pinning our boys! Hit the turret!
Good one, Daniels!
Get more fire over there!
Rusty guard.
Fire on the MGs! Protect our boys!
How'd you deal on it?
They're getting closer to the flak guns!
Cross on the rooftops!
Can't let them hold the high ground!
Check the door. Rusty. Reload to the hood.
Stay on Zussman!
Got him!
Daniels, crouch at the end of the street!
Fading more and I don't low hurt.
They're taking fire from behind!
Half track on their rear! They're getting surrounded! Sherman's got them surrounded!
Hogan's reload. Oh, father.
Take him out!
Oh.
The hell was that?
Must be Turner! Keep at it! Cover them so they can support Dutchman!
In a birth telephone. Here's your general on that. Start on good shot. There, it's Hannison. That shapes intense. Go make dash and show reload again.
There's one flat gun left!
Woohoo! Everyone out now!
Uh-oh. You ready for the man?
Jesus.
Oh!
I got you! Hold on! No!
Look out! Get out of the way!
When you my brother in Scotland? Oh, near my brother in Scotland. My brother in my laptop and shop. Reanimation.
Everyone up!
Oh, Jesus.
I got you! Hold on! No!
Look out! Get out of the way! Get out of there! Hurry!
Oh, did you jump up?
They're coming down!
Move your ass!
out to them.
Come on, go! Almost there. Watch out!
Whoa! Checkpoint. Fight.
You see wings on me, Private?
No, Sergeant.
That's because I'm not your fairy fucking godmother!
Whoa!
God damn it! I just lost 2 good men in there! So we gotta pull it together and take out those guns! Come on!
Clor, dynamation heat bait.
I don't see suspect!
God damn it! They were together before it collapsed! Best we can do now is hold this position! Can't let those traps up here!
Got extra grenades if you need them!
Grenade out!
Get ready! Hold your position!
Oh, it's styled to me.
Come on, they need cover fire!
Send them this way!
Catch!
Suppressive fire! Keep firing! That gun is still alive!
They're rushing the stairs!
Grenade!
Groundhound trying to overrun our position! Use the flamethrower to push them back!
Got it!
Enemy located!
Contact, 11 o'clock!
Oh, lead lane one.
Cover our left flank!
Oh. Yeah, my god. TV1 remain anonymous. Flamethrower, what is it?
I don't see suspect!
God damn it! They were together before it collapsed! Best we can do now is hold this position! Can't let those craps up here!
Got extra grenades if you need them!
Ready!
Get ready! Hold your position! Come on, they need cover fire!
Grenade out! Toss it out! A grenade! Grenade!
Keep firing! That gun is still alive!
They're rushing the stairs!
They're gonna try to overrun our position! Use the flamethrower to push them back!
Got it!
Enemy spotted!
Germans ahead, don't punch up!
Cover our left flank!
Stop flamethrower shit.
Enemy troops!
Daniels, I need fire on the right!
On the left!
Yes, Sergeant!
Ah. Come here, dear hun. There's a dear character I'm gonna finish.
I don't see suspect!
God damn it! They were together before it collapsed! Best we can do now is hold this position!
Grenade
Can't
out!
let those craps up here!
Got extra grenades if you need them!
Toss him over!
Get ready! Hold your position!
Toss it out! A grenade!
Come on, they need cover fire! Suppressive fire! Keep firing! That gun is still alive!
Francis on the road!
Grenade!
They're rushing the stairs!
Crowds are gonna try to overrun our position! Use the flamethrower to push them back!
Got it!
Need fire!
Cover our left flank!
dear you shit there. Oh.
Daniel, get a red smoke out there!
Don't gotta ask me twice.
Hey, farm boy! We're gonna bomb our position if you don't load the goddamn car!
Smoke out!
Hold them off till the P-47s get here! Where the hell are those planes? Gotta reload! Hold your position!
Ah! You're Hogar.
Hide it, boy!
We're gonna mark the target zone to the P-47! Daniel, get a red smoke out there!
Don't gotta ask me twice.
Straight ahead!
Smoke out!
Enemy on the right!
Hold them off till the P-47s get here! Enemy located!
Okay.
Hold your position!
Here they come!
P-47s are coming in! Clear out!
Whoa. The mission's táisé tá dacker. Who's just struggle go mór leis caiimérá?
Suspect!
Near a tróir chuin, tear clay, tear yes, it's in a úsáid show.
Good work, man. You gave it everything you had. Got these bastards on the run.
There's a lot of vigor, the rinne sé sore job
Said they came
caiimérá.
through pretty well, wouldn't you, Sergeant? Maybe you were wrong about them.
You've been holding out on me, boys. I've been way too easy on you. Well, now we're gonna find out what you're really made of.
If we brought him Hitler's head on a silver platter, he'd complain about the shine.
We keep fighting like we did today, war will be over in no time. But we gotta make the big plays now.
All right, I'm in.
No sanctuary, sin an trophy a bhfuairméin sin. So sin an tríú mission ceapam dinta. Scáil an dubhan ish níl sagam cos bríd sin.
We captured Marigny.
Yeah.
Germans are
Ní bhfuair mé
retreating as fast
mementos
as we
gan sin
advance.
for mé
But we're in
Keynes
Pearson's
Cinella rinne mé
crosshairs
heroic
more
act.
than ever.
So
Guess we'll just
Hain
have
as
to
hain
deliver
nach
and
sin.
then some.
Dé sin ro runna. Learhééis sin í gatainine tuis chun an bóthar bhúla. Míle buíochtas ó gatainine bhí dagáil an noch, bhí a local anseo, bhí carbreir, ceapan go duine nó beirt eile ach ní mé an é dheáil a chatanis. Ach míle buíochas gatainine bé Bloc arás live an tatan thugainn de céidir thugainn leirhéid seacht. Fortnite fur de cheathar I gimar Fortnite an tatan thugainn. In the sin by Tilla Call of Duty agam div, Tilla campaign, create an campaign sa chéad can ella, agus is babies gimmers early in a choma, agus the Far Cry 5 a malach freshen. So míle buíoch sríos gatainine agus feice mé sibh fad go lua, té go dí Facebook agus Twitter like Tilla ólas all. The if we Bloc is good heart mar sin. Captain go bhrú mé rud éigean róluúin sin mu leis go. Although Cal song of fóding gur mágat sucht bheith lum in nocht agus gatainna cheol teachtasteach mar dúirt mé. Feic mé sibh ar fág go lua ihuá agus bear bua.